Hi, this is Merrill with the Big Helper Real Estate Group. Today I'm going to be talking about what is the minimum credit score you need to be able to buy a home. The minimum credit score that you're going to need does depend a little bit on several factors, and the biggest of which is probably what loan type are you using. Certain loan types can go to different types of credit scores. Right now, and this has changed recently because of coronavirus, lenders have gotten a little bit pickier, right? So a couple of months ago, we were often able to help borrowers who wanted to go down as low as maybe a 580. There were even some rare circumstances when you could go even lower than that, but it wasn't common. So typically we were telling people, the minimum you're probably going to want to be able to buy a home is about a 580. Now it's gone up to about a 620. And that many times is even a 640, or in some cases a 660. If you're looking to do any type of loan that involves down payment assistance, right now you are probably going to be looking at a 660. If you've got your own down payment and you're doing conventional financing, you can probably go as low as a 620. Now, one cautionary tale that I want to just warn you about: if you are using a site like Credit Karma to check your credit score, and I love that site and it's awesome, and then I know there's some others out there like it, that score is different than the score that is actually going to show up on your official credit report that is pulled by a lender. And in almost every case that I have seen, your Credit Karma score is actually higher than what the actual credit score is when the lender pulls your credit report. Why the difference, I'm not exactly sure. I believe that Credit Karma has their own algorithm. The FICO score that is used by the credit bureaus, the algorithm to determine that score is not a matter of public knowledge. So there's a lot of people who have tried to mimic it. And I believe that's what Credit Karma is probably doing. So you can look at your Credit Karma and it's a nice indicator. What I tell people is, hey, if you see your Credit Karma score going up, then that means your credit score when a lender pulls it is also probably going up. But don't be surprised if the numbers are exactly the same, and probably plan on your official credit score from the bureaus maybe being a little bit lower than what you're seeing on Credit Karma. But yeah, if you've got a credit score right now of 620 or better, there is a really good chance that we can help you get into a home. And if you're not there yet, don't let that sink you into despair. We have some incredible programs that will help you figure out the best, easiest, fastest, cheapest way of getting your score up. I talk to people all the time who think the secret to getting their credit score up is paying off all of their debt. And that is absolutely not the way to raise your credit score. Matter of fact, sometimes paying debts off, and especially paying debts off and then closing the account, that can actually hurt your score. What the credit bureaus like to see is low balance to credit limit ratios. So if you have a credit card with $1,000 limit, you want to keep that balance nice and low. But a lot of really great lenders can run your credit through a simulator and tell you, hey, pay this balance down to X, pay that balance down to Y, and we anticipate that your credit score will go up by 20 points if you do that. So if you're close, let's get you connected with one of our team's preferred lenders, and we can give you the best path for getting there so we can get you into home.